So this old polytunnel that we built out of half-inch PVC, I think it's schedule 30, we didn't expect to last this long. It's been up here for 10 years, and it had a very bad time one year, so that we literally had to do some quick repair work, and we just haven't gotten around to finishing it. Why are they all different? They can't all be different.
31.5.
Buy tomatoes. These have to go in order for us to rebuild. This is literally 10-year-old poly, and it's not doing too bad. Obviously, all of this comes down. So we're at Menards, and I've got 20 10-foot pieces of 3/4 inch PVC and a ton of fittings. Now all these fittings, I'll give you the rundown of what they are and also how they kind of go together by watching the video. What you're going to need is 4 of these 3-way elbows. You're going to need 6 of these 4-way T's. You're going to need 16 of these crosses, and you're going to need 20 standard T's. Yeah, there's quite a bit of hardware, and you might want to buy one of these hand cutters so that you don't, leave debris everywhere. And don't forget your glue.
putty in here, plumber's putty, that epoxy. But it's pretty sturdy anyway. There's not a lot to come loose. And we're making it to where it barely moves on this side. This is the wind side anyway. And we'll eventually get these cross pieces in here. Okay, so these things, for what they say they are, they do hold, but you better have fists like gorillas in order to get them on there. Holy mackerel. Yeah. Oh, you still have some? Here.
You have to help me.
Now I've got a camera. All right,
Aw,
pause.
We'll put her right there.
All right. That's what I'm doing. Waiting for the elbow in my nose. I get my thumb.
No, not ready to. No, what it's doing?
Yeah, that's terrible.
Gotta
What
be
about that
some
one?
way.
Is that one any better?
Ow.
Yeah, they're trying to get it softer, I guess. Quit laughing.
It's going. No, it's not. What the hell are you thinking?
What I did last time was I took.
Look at what we did to the plastic. I can't be putting those on and off of this greenhouse every year.
be putting them off and on and off.
It's going to ruin the film after a year.
murdered your hands. Hand murderer.
I got a phone ringing.
Do you? Yep, I just heard it through here. Good now. Call from somebody or other.